Hello creative designers and welcome on to this story. My name is Peter. Head on to this story. We're just going to see how we can be able to create a complete news website using Elementor and color theme, which are all for free. We're just going to do all those for free. All you just need to do is have a domain and you have a hosting, and from there I'm just going to show you how you can be able to create a website like this. I'm going to show you how to add some of these sections, which just look like this, custom sections like that. We're going to see how we can even change the widget and all that, how to even add so many things, and all that we're just going to do, using Elementor and a free theme called Thiarara theme. You're going to have a sticky header, and I'm also going to show you how you can even be able to change the background and have maybe a dark theme depending on how you just wish it to happen. And most of these other features I'm going to provide on how you can be even able to change this custom and have a custom footer all for free. And without further ado, let's just get into action and I show you how all this is going to happen. So what you just need to do is you head over to the cPanel. We head over now to the installation of WordPress. So once you head over to the cPanel scroll, now here we have the button for WordPress here on Software's app installer. We just need to install our WordPress. So click install, and once you're here, select HTTPS, and from there select the domain you just want to install to. I want to install on breaking news. This is just a custom domain I have just created. I have a tutorial on how you can have your own subdomain you can use to create a sub or another website on it. So select the domain you just want to install to. Remove this WP prefix. Remember to choose the latest version for WordPress. I'm just going to select 6.0. From there, you just need to do is change the username and also change the password here. So let me just use one here. That's easy for me to remember. Then from there, change the admin email. Enter the email that is that you can be able to receive an email in case of an error. Don't worry about all this. I'm going to show you how where we are going to change them from. So after that, all you just need to do is click install. Just take a few minutes and it will just be installed, and from there we have our new created website. So I just click here, and with that we have now installed our WordPress, and now we have our website ready and learning. So from there, all you just need to do is we customize, and we have something like this. So before you customize, all you just need to do is head over to the back end, and for you to be able to get to the back end, all you just need to do is add a WP-admin prefix after your domain. So just click on it, and you'll be directed on this back end. This is the back end of our website, and this is the front end of the website. On the back end, that's where you go and do most of those things that are just needed. So I just click here. I don't want to see all this information. So if you find this information not good for you or just don't need it, select screen option and then tick here, and you'll be able to remove all those things that are available on backend. Then from there, there's this simple setting we just need to do is head over to the setting and head over to my links, select post name and save the changes. Then from there, go to general, and here now we can be able to change the site title. Here we have the site title here, and we have most of our things. So we just need to change the site title here and say breaking news or whatever it is, and instant news and all that. Something like that. It all depends on the tagline you just want to add for your website. From there, WordPress address, remember to add this S. If it's not having an S, to just have this lock here. And from there, if you want to have subscribers or membership, click on this and select the you just want to offer them. So I want them to be subscribers. Remember to change the time zone. And from there, you can select the date format and just start save the changes. From there, head over to plugins. There's some plugins that are installed when you just install a new website. So remove them because we don't need them. Then from there, head over to themes, and we don't need all these other themes here. And also we don't need this theme here. And if you want your theme to auto update, select just open the theme and enable auto update for that theme. Then from there, all you just need to do, our website now is ready for every customization that we just need to do. So we just need to install a theme that will facilitate on us to do everything. So just hover on appearance, select theme, and select a new. On here, search for colormag. It's a free theme, so just click install. After successful installation, activate the theme. Then from there, it will just recommend for you to be able to import a demo free. All you just need to do is install the suggested demo importer plugin. So just click here and it just install the plugin for you. Then from there, you're just taken to where we have now the demos. If you don't reach here, if you get back here, maybe you just want just taking a break, just head over back here to appearance and select demo importer, and it just be taken back here. Then from here, you can just select all the demo type you just want to import or you just want to see. So from there, select, we have the other for default, and we have the other one for elementor. I'm just going to use elementor on this tutorial, so I'm just going to select one elementor here, and from there, all these demos that have been suggested here are editable with elementor. So I select this general news here, and this will pop up. Just click confirm. It will just take you some few minutes, and everything will be just it just take some few minutes, and the demo is already imported onto your website now. So just head over here and refresh and see what we have just added. So with that, we are now having our website which is ready. You can see how it look like. There's so many things we just need to customize from here, and we have our site well and learning. But currently we have our website which is ready for even receiving some posts from here. So from there, all you just need to do, head over back to the dashboard. And once you have been able to import the demo, it will just a window will pop up, and you can just be able to deactivate this plugin for importing demo because you are not in need of it anymore. And you can see it has just added just two plugins. The first one is Elementor, and the other one is Everest form, the one that is being used for the form. Don't worry about that. Just so easy. From there, you can be able to go to all posts, and you can be able to remove all posts you don't need. Here, remove all posts. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to remove the post there. The other thing, you just go back to the category here. You can see the categories that are available, but if you don't need either of them, just delete from here. You can delete it from here, and you can add all your categories that you just need for the purpose of your website, or depending on whatever your website is containing. Then from there, we just need to do is we go to the pages, and on the pages here we have, these are the pages that are available. We have these two sample page. I'm just going to remove them. Yeah, it's good you remove all those things that you don't need for the purpose of indexing your website. Yeah, you may find just indexing some of these things you just don't need. So from there, what you just need to do is head over back to the published or pages. You have the public policy, privacy policy. You can edit. There's so many tutorials out there that are going to show you how you can be able to create a privacy policy for your website. Then from there, we have our contact us page and home page and layout and all that. Don't worry about that. So we're just going to edit our home page. You can see how it look like. So let's see how we can be able to even add and remove some of these sections. Select edit with Elementor. Here we have it. You can see we can now be able to adjust most of these sections from here. So if you wish to edit one of these sections, let me just customize this one, the navigator. With this navigator, you can be able to select so many other features. So from here, if I just want to edit this section, I can click here. I can be able to even change the background color to something like that. It all depends on how you wish to customize your website. If I wish to change this section here, I just click on this pen tool here. I did the grip. I can be able to add a header, a title like this one, and I say latest news like that. And from there, we can be able to customize, select the post, number of posts that are going to be available here. But you find some of these grid, you can be able to add more than it has been designed for. But like say, if we are say like we have 5 posts, you see it not changing. If you say we have 2, 3, you can see for 3, it can be able to adjust, but it cannot go beyond 4, but for only this grid. So I just select something like 4 like that, and also I can just select whatever the category I just wish to post here. So display from latest post, I can select from latest post. You can see it just changes from here. But if you wish to show some category here, just select category and select the available categories here. So for this, I wish to have latest post here. That's our latest post. Then from there, you can be able to customize even the block and all that. So go to style, and now we can be able to adjust our title here. So we say the background, I would wish to have something like whatever the color you just wish to have, but you can be able to customize on that. If you want to change on this one, you can also click here and change. You can change the block title, and you can also change the number of columns that are going to be displayed. You can see it just to column here, and also select the category and to be displayed, and you can even go to style and you can customize it with the block title from there. Then from there, we just need to see how we can be able to add a certain column. If you wish to remove this section, just select, click here, and with that, all you just need to do is click update. Let's see how now we can be able to add a column or a section. So I just need to add one section here. Then from there, I just click on this button here. Let me close all this because I'm not going to use either of them. So to where we have now colormag, widget, and block, we have the colormag, widget, and grid. So if you wish to have 2 blocks, or maybe a block style, whichever the one you want, just drag and drop. And with that, all you just need to do is give a title. Remember to give a title and say latest new. And all that, select post, how many posts you wish to have. If you wish to have something like 7, you can just select depending on how it just display. But for now, I wish to have something like 5 or 6. Yeah, seem good. And we can also go to the filter, and if you want to have a category, you can select the category, and we select whichever the category we just want to display like that. It all depends on how you wish to have it. So, and after that, what you just need to do is update. Then from there, if you wish to use this grid widget, let's add a column here, and I also select it and see what are these, how does this widget look like. So these are the widgets you can also use in your website. Yeah, you can remember to give a name, post, select how many posts can be there, and also select from filter, and so if you want to have a category, select the category you wish to just display on this section. Then from there, remember to save the changes. That's how you can be able to customize a full page. If you wish to customize this section, click on this pen here, select number of posts and all that. You can be able to customize most of this thing. If you don't need it, you can just remove it. You can just delete it like that, and you have something else. You can add on something else. That's how you can be able to add all those features. Then from there, all you just need to do, then from there, we just move on to how you can be able to customize our header. Then from there, all you just need to do is now we go and see how we can be able to customize our header. So we have been able to customize our homepage and so many other features. So what you just need to do, first thing before you can customize our header, we need to customize our menu. You see how it look like. And we're also going to customize these sections here. I'm going to show you how you can be able to change this image. So what you just need to do, go to hover on the dashboard menu. Now you have to appearance and select menu. Now here select the the menu. So I want to select primary menu. Select there, and after that select here display location is the primary menu and save the changes. If you wish to remove either of these, click on this and select this button for remove. And if you wish to add a new either of the category, click here and select the one just want to add there, and add to menu. It will be just added here. If you want to add a custom link, you just add your link here and add to menu. If you want to display a post or a page, just select all the pages that you want to display. Select them here and add to menu. It will just be displayed here. Remember to have this is primary menu, because the one it's customizing is this header here. Once you are done with it, refresh and see how we have been able to now we have been able to add our menu here. We have been able to customize our menu. Let's now how we be able to customize our logo and even this image here. So over back on the dashboard, and now let's now select appearance and select customize. And from there, we are going to customize from there almost everything for the header here. So if you wish to change to edit for this icon, just click on this here and you'll be able to add link for your Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, Instagram, and all that. And after that, remember to publish. If you wish to disable these icons, just toggle this button off. And with that, you'll be able to remove those icons for social media. There, I publish, head over back, and so we need to edit our logo here and even on this image. You can click just click on this one here, and we are headed back to the site logo. You can be able to change from here. Select the move media library. If you already have an image, you can just leave it like that. So I just select here. You can customize how you just wish it to be. I don't have logo ready, so I just select like that. You see now how it look like. And for this one here, this is called fav icon. If you wish to change it or remove it, you can remove it or you can change it from here. The other thing, you can change the site title and the site tagline. So remove this one. It changed when we imported the demo. Then from there, if you want to display, show both header and logo and this website title, you can just display it, but it doesn't look good. So I just show header and logo only, but it all upon you how you just wish to have it. If you wish to change this image here, just click on this one here, select I got it. Now from here we can be able to change the image. If you wish not to have it, just click here and remove the legacy widget. So if you wish to change on this image, you can do it for free, and head over here and search for Canva. Head over to canva.com, and it have a custom dimensions. Once you are on the it has a custom dimension, and all you just want to do is select here custom size. Here select 728 by 90 like that, and with that you have the custom. Here you have it. You can be able to customize everything all for free. They have also some free here. You can decide to choose one here that is ready to be edited, depending on how easy and flexible you feel. If you know how to create one for yourself, you can just decide to. Let me just select just this simple one. Let me just select this simple one here. So you can decide to change this image. You can decide even to change the background color. Let me change something like that. You can be able to change even the color here for the text and create something very unique. Let me just add some just for here. Yeah, for the purpose of the tutorial, and so easy. So yeah, look good with that. Another thing we just need to do is click here and share PNG and download. So from there, I just save it here. I say logo. You can add the dimension depending on how you just wish it to happen. So once it's downloaded here, you can just hover back to our customization and we replace the image. Let me just drag and drop it here. Select it. I just need to select here and add the widget. And just that we have been able to change it. Just so simple. So if I don't need it, I just click here and I just click on this one here and move the legacy widget. Once you're here, head over to header, and we have the site identity, which we have just changed. Header media, which we have, if you wish to have some background image, you can just change from here. You have the top bar, you can enable show date. Yeah, you can be able to show date like that. We have the default or from Wordpress setting, depending on how you wish to happen. So from there, head over back and you have now the primary header. I want this logo to change the location, so I can just choose this one here. You see how it look like. You can also decide to choose a different one here depending on how you wish to. So I want to have this one here. For free version, they have only these 3 display, but also worked well. If you feel it worth to purchase the premium theme, you get more other features more than the one we're having for now. So from there, I head over back here. We have primary menu. We don't have the icon for this, like this one, home icon. So if you wish to add it, just enable this one and publish with that. And then from there, we have sticker header. You see, it's already enabled. If you don't want to have a sticker header, just disable this button here. So from there, we are done with the header. Now we can be able now to go to the footer. Now we can be able to customize the footer, select the footer, and we have the general one. We have 2 type here. Once you have type 1, you see it have the same color, but when you have type 2, you have this footer here with the copyright section, and we have also this one with post and all that. So I select type 2. Then from there, I think we have, now we can be able to change most of these features. Just click on this edit here, and with that we can be able to customize this footer and add so many other features. Like for instance, let me just go back here. On widget, we have footer side 1, and you can also add something on side 2 here. Like let me just remove this one, and I can add latest post like that. And you can select the post you just wish to be posted. That you can be able to add other features. Let me just go back here to sidebar number 3. I also removed this one here. They had some links which were there, so I select category. See, just displayed, but doesn't look that amazing. But that's how you can be able to add all the footer here, sidebars for the footer. So it all depends on how. If you wish to see more features, just click here and select. There's so many other features you can be able to use from here. So from there add that and publish it here. So for now, what you just need to do is we change the footer here, the copyright one here. So with the free version, you cannot be able to change. With the free version, you cannot be able to change the footer section here. But with just very simple CSS, you can be able to just change that. So I just need to copy that. I'll include the link on the description. You can just go and get this code. And after that, after you copy addition CSS, just paste your code here and you can adjust this from here. Just begin what you're editing. You don't have to interrupt the code. So like for instance, you can change the website name and all that. You can even change the date from here. Copyright is 2022. Include the link and all that. From there, after that, you just need to publish your all the changes. And with that, I think we have been able to customize most of these features, and that's what we have. If you wish to have a background that is dark, a dark background, it's very simple. All you just need to do is head over to the customization, go to global, and we have the background, not background. You have the color and skin color, select dark skin, reaching the background of your website in whole, and it to be just like that, dark, and publish. If you wish to change either of these color for your categories, just head over back here and we have category colors. Change the category colors like the one we are selecting. Let me just go back to the one that is available here, and let me select like feature news. It says purple. I want it to be something like green. So once you select, it just change the color immediately. So depend on how creative you will get. If you want to have something like this news to change or this latest post, let me find one. It's not there, but if you wish to have something like some category like technology, the one is one that's viewed here. You can be able to change category for technology, the badge for technology, and it will be able to change from there. And after that, remember to publish the changes. Once now you head over to the front page, the front end, and we refresh, you see how our website now they look like. That's how you can be able to create a complete news website from scratch with Elementor and a free theme, and you get to get something cute you can use for the purpose of whatever the project you are into. I hope you did learn something out of this story. If you did learn something out of this story, hit the thumbs up. Till next time, thank you.